Hi guys, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on Galaxy S23 device. So first, to do that, we should open the settings application. After that, tap to the sound and vibration settings section and tap to the volume. Here you'll see the ringtone volume panel, and just to change the ringtone volume, we should slide to the left or to the right side this blue dot. Also, we get one more way how we can do that. Just first, we'll be sure that this switcher to use volume keys for media is turned off to change the ringtone volume with the help of the volume buttons. And now let's just press to the up or down volume button, and we can see that we just successfully changed the ringtone volume. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.